Moi everyone and welcome to Finish Your Plate. When you think of Finland, you don't necessarily think of burgers, but Finland is known for its burger chain Hesburger, which actually is known specifically for their mayo. And recently they had one particular burger, which was the Halloumiburger, which I thought was very interesting kind of a burger. So I thought I would recreate it here in the US. So the burger here that I made has some halloumi cheese. It of course has the signature mayo that Hesburger is known for, some lettuce, some tomatoes, and some pickled onions. So join me and I'll show you how to make this Finnish halloumi cheese burger. First, let's make a pickled onion. I have here just some red onion. Just gonna slice some rings out of this. Now let's put these in the cup. Take away the paper. So over here I just have a half a cup of just regular white vinegar. Let's sprinkle in some sugar. So that was 1 teaspoon of sugar. And we'll do half a teaspoon of salt. There we go. Just mix it all up. Try to get it as dissolved as possible. I'm going to pour this over the onions. This can sit now for about 15 minutes or so. Doesn't take too long for the onions to get a little marinated. There we go. So the onions are now ready. And let's make our paprika mayo, which is a staple in Hesburger burgers. I have here some roasted red peppers. I'm gonna take maybe 1 pepper. Let's see how big these are. Sometimes they can be really big. Yeah, there we go. And I'm gonna add a teaspoon of mustard relish. You could of course use regular relish and then just add mustard into it too. But I really like this one. So I will also add a dash of paprika powder. Just a little bit, maybe about a 1/4 teaspoon of salt. And same for sugar. And I'm also going to add just a teaspoon from the onion marinade, teaspoon of the vinegar. There we go. That is it. Now let's just blitz these all together. All right. And let's add our mayo. I'm using Kewpie mayo. You could use regular mayo here too. That's fine. Kewpie is just a little bit more savory. It has a little MSG in it. Maybe about 2 tablespoons. It's maybe a little thin, so I'm going to use a little bit more mayo. This will thicken up in the fridge too. Let's taste the seasoning. Seasoning is good. I'm just going to pop this in the fridge for a little bit just to get it a little bit thicker. So halloumi cheese is a cheese from Cyprus. It's a pretty solid cheese. When you take it out of the pack, it's usually brined. It is a little bit on the crumbly side, so we want to slice off slices without crumbling it too much. So the interesting thing about halloumi cheese is that it doesn't melt like regular cheese. So you can fry it on the pan, which is what I'm gonna do. It'll get soft, but it's not gonna melt like, say, mozzarella, for example. And the texture is gonna be squeaky, kind of like the Finnish squeaky cheese. So I'm gonna slice off some slices that I'm gonna fry to put in my burger. Now I'm going to turn on my heat, preheat the pan. It can be pretty high, like medium high. And while it's preheating, I'm just going to prep my lettuce. I'm going to get a couple of nice looking leaves. And also to prep, I'm just going to pop my burger bun in the toaster for a little bit, just for it to get just a little toasty. I'm using these regular seeded burger buns. And now that my pan is hot, I'm just going to put in a little bit of oil. And now I'm going to put my pieces of cheese right here to fry. This is not going to take a long time. We're just going to fry them so they get a little bit of color. And they get a little bit soft too. All right, let's take a look what it looks like on the other side. You could flip these over a couple of times, that's all right. Oh, that's actually pretty good. There we go. Let's fry it on the other side as well. So as you can see, it still holds its shape, but it gets browned kind of nicely, which is going to give that nice texture and taste. All right, the buns are toasted. There's just a tiny bit of color on them, which is what I want. And I'm gonna add my paprika mayo. I'll put it on both sides. Hesburger is known for its mayo, paprika mayo specifically. And this mayo is still a little bit on the loose side. Again, if I kept it in the fridge, it would have gotten thicker. So let's add a couple onion rings from our brine over here. Turn the heat off actually. There we go. And our lettuce. And now our halloumi cheese slices. Ooh, it's hot. Okay. And we'll add, oh, I almost forgot. Still need some tomato. There we go. And here's our Halloumiburger. Okay, so let's taste this burger. The halloumi cheese is nice and squeaky. It is a little bit on the salty side, so be careful when you add things to it. They don't need as much salt as you would maybe think, because the cheese is already kind of salty. But all in all, this is a wonderful alternative to hamburgers, because it's, of course, it's vegetarian, not vegan, but vegetarian, and it's pretty good. I probably should have waited a little bit with the mayo so I could have used more of it so it wouldn't have been so thin. But other than that, I think it's great. Yes, and Hesburger burgers are known for having a lot of mayo, so that's why you should probably use a lot of it if you want to be true to them. But either way, this is a great burger, and I'm going to keep eating it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time on Finish Your Plate.